welcome to Katrina's Creations. And yes, Cricket is drinking out of her bowl. Yeah, the camera's on, the dog's drinking out of her bowl. Anyway, before we get started with Wednesday's project, I am wearing apparently she hit bottom, she's letting me know now. She bangs on the bowl when she's finished. This is the Calaheo crocheted shirt or top. It is a paid-for pattern. When I got it, it was free. It's simple enough to do. This is actually a little bit big on me because I kind of combined two different sizes, but it's all half double crochet. You start at the top at the neckline, work your way down to the underarms, and then you separate the sleeves and then you crochet the rest of the way down. So it's a pretty simple pattern. It's very comfortable to wear. It's now covered with Cricket's hair because she needed some mommy puppy time earlier today and was snuggled on my shirt, and now I'm wearing half of her on me. So we won't do a close-up of that. So let's take a peek at what we're going to be making today. This is a little pumpkin. It's also a toilet roll cover. Now, one of the neat things with this is super simple to make. No glue needed, no sewing needed, nothing. But this is versatile in that, okay, this is like a fall theme or pumpkin. However, if you did this in red, it could be an apple. Or, and I thought this would be cute for like Christmas, would be cover it in Christmas colors or Christmas fabric and then put a little metal ring in the top and it would look like a Christmas ball. So yeah, it's pretty cute. It takes all of about 5 minutes to assemble. So I'm going to get the camera turned around and show you what you need, how much fabric you need, and how to put this together. All right, to make this, you are going to need a stem or a dowel. And let's measure it so we know exactly how long it is. It is 5.5 inches. So you want it to be at least 5.5 inches. That way it's long enough to go inside the toilet paper roll and to stick out just a little bit. And then there's a ribbon, which I've attached here. I'm not going to take it off because I actually tied it in a knot. But it's roughly about 10 inches long. And if you did it a little bit longer or you used the type of wrapping ribbon, you could actually curl the sides to make it look a little, you know, like coiled. So you need that. And then you need fabric, and this is just cotton. And the cotton is 18 inches by 18 inches. And then you will need a roll of toilet paper. Now I kind of fluffed up the top. They told us it kind of gives it a little softer edges if you kind of puffed around the top here. Now a little tip with the toilet paper is you could actually put a little bit of essential oil inside here, some drops of it, and then when you set it out, if you set it like in the bathroom or wherever you set it, it would give a little bit of an air freshener scent to it. So that is an option, is you could put some essential oil down into the cardboard tube. So what you're going to do is put your toilet roll pretty much in the center of your fabric, and then you're going to begin by gathering a corner and you're going to tuck it in, and then you're going to work your way around a little at a time, gathering and tucking it into the center. You might have to kind of tuck a little bit more in some spots than in others to make it all work. Then you get it all tucked in and you put your little stem in, and there you have your pumpkin. And like I said, if you have an essential oil down inside here, then as it sits out in your room, it can put out a light scent. And it looks cute on top of the toilet. you know, and it's also useful. There's spare in here if you needed it. But it also looks nice enough that you could sit it out different places. But like I said, I think it would be neat also if you did it in a Christmas themed fabric, and then maybe cut the dowel a little bit shorter so it didn't stick out quite so much, and maybe spray paint it gold or silver, and then put a ring on it. You know, this little metal like notebook rings that you can buy, or those embroidery rings, and put that on the tip of it here, and then it would look like a Christmas ball. So I thought that was a kind of neat idea. No sewing or glue, anything needed to make it, and it's quick and useful. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this little tutorial, and I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching.